Hi, I'm Frank, an elite tasker on Taskrabbit, and today I'm going to walk you through do-it-yourself gallery walls. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own, from concept to completion. Let's plan your gallery wall. The first step is selecting the perfect canvas, your wall. Things to consider when making your selection. Size. Look for a large, empty wall that can accommodate your vision. Visibility. Choose a prominent area where your gallery will be easily seen and appreciated. Lighting. Make sure the wall receives adequate natural or artificial light to showcase your pieces. Pro tip: entryways, living rooms, and staircases are popular choices for gallery walls, but don't be afraid to think outside the box. A bedroom or home office can benefit from a gallery wall too. Before you start collecting pieces, have a clear vision of your gallery wall's overall look. Here are a few popular themes and styles. Family photos, travel adventures, like destination photos and souvenirs, art prints, an eclectic mix, combine photos, artwork, and decorative objects for a unique look. Remember, your theme should reflect your personality. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles to create a one-of-a-kind display. Now that you have a vision, here are some tips for curating your collection. Mix sizes and shapes. Combine large statement pieces with smaller accents to create a visual interest. Vary textures and materials. Incorporate different frame materials, canvas prints, and 3D objects to add depth. Color coordination. Choose a cohesive color palette that complements your room. Personal touches. Include meaningful items like postcards, ticket stubs, or small mementos to tell your story. Pro tip: start with a few key pieces you love, then build your collection around them. Now let's tackle design. Before you start hanging, plan your layout. Here are some popular arrangements. The grid, a clean, symmetrical layout perfect for uniform frames and a modern aesthetic. A symmetrical layout, balanced arrangement with a central focal point, ideal for traditional spaces. An asymmetrical layout, freeform layout that allows for creativity and easy additions over time. Salon style, a dense floor-to-ceiling arrangement for a bold, maximalist look. To visualize your layout, arrange your pieces on the floor, playing with different configurations until you find one you love. Take a photo of your favorite arrangement for reference. Create paper templates of each piece and tape them to the wall to fine-tune your layout. Now let's think about balance and spacing. Keep these tips in mind. Start with larger pieces as anchors, then fill in with your smaller items. Maintain consistent spacing between pieces, typically 2 to 3 inches. Pay attention to the overall shape of the arrangement. Aim for a balanced silhouette. Step back frequently to assess the overall composition from different angles. You've got your design and layout. Are you ready to hang? Now let's gather our supplies. Level, measuring tape, pencil, hammer, nails or picture hangers, screwdriver, wall anchors for heavier pieces, and adhesive strips for lighter items. Now we're ready to install. Begin with the largest or central piece, using it as an anchor for the rest of the arrangement. Use a level to make sure each piece is straight. Work outwards from your central piece, following your planned layout. For heavier items, use appropriate wall anchors so they're securely fastened. Step back frequently to check your progress and make adjustments as needed. Now let's add some finishing touches. If you want to elevate your gallery wall, consider adding floating shelves to display small objects or plants, mirrors to reflect light and add depth, textual elements like macrame or woven baskets. Proper lighting will make your gallery wall truly shine. Use adjustable spotlights to highlight specific pieces. Install picture lights above larger frames for a museum-like effect. Consider LED light strips behind frames for a modern backlit look. Finally, don't neglect it. To keep your gallery wall looking at its best, dust frames and artwork regularly with a microfiber cloth. Clean glass and mirrors with a streak-free glass cleaner. Periodically check that all pieces are secure to make adjustments as needed. Consider rotating pieces seasonally or adding new items to keep your display fresh and exciting. So before you go, remember, there's no right way to create a gallery wall, so don't be afraid to experiment. And if you want a pro to install your gallery wall, you can always find me or other taskers like me on Taskrabbit.